Hi all, welcome to Philip Miller Furniture, and I'm Philip, and today we're going to be building a lemonade stand. I'm so excited to be building this because I love lemonade. I always have, ever since I was a wee little kid, and today I'm going to show you step by step on how to build it. Let's get started. All right, those boards right behind me, I've got to cut them. It's gonna be a lot of cuts. All right, so I just finished cutting the planks for the front and the two sides. Now I'm gonna cut the interior supports, and then we're gonna move on to painting. Alright, so we've moved outside. We're going to be doing some spray painting. I have yellow right here, and we're going to be doing white as well. We're going to lay the base coat, and then we're going to take it to my garage and do some weathering. Alright, let's get painting. Okay, so things are drying up. These are the last of my pieces that I've had to paint. You can see there, I've actually done some test pieces to test the weathering look and the worn, chic, vintage chic, whatever you want to call it look. I have it here in my garage. It's getting late, the sun is setting, so we're gonna have to probably do the rest of this tomorrow night, but you're not gonna even notice because I'm gonna edit that and it's just gonna cut to the very next day and you won't even notice. But anyway, let's go take a look. What do you think? Pretty cool? I think it's pretty cool. It's vintage worn. What I had to do is I spray painted it with a clear coat right here. And once I did that, I sanded with my orbital sander, which has a 60 grit sandpaper on it. And then I took this brine. Woo, look at that. It's actually kind of gray and brown mixed together, heavily diluted, of course. And I took a rag and just smeared it. And that's what I came up with. Do you like it? I think it came out pretty good. Okay, we've made the sides, now it's time to join them together. We're gonna do that using a hinge. It's gonna sit right here, and it's gonna allow the wing or the side of the lemonade stand to fold in on itself just like that. Let's get started. Let's install these. Okay, the base is done. Now let's get started on building the top. Let me explain what I'm doing here. I'm making some braces, but I want the fit to be really nice. I like the layout that I have right now, so I'm getting under the table and taking some measurements. Just in case you're wondering. Put some glue on, because I'm just using little brad nails and I want it to be really strong. All right, I'm in a predicament. I got it where I need it, but I don't have my nail gun. It's way over there. I'm gonna have to let it go. It held. Darn it. All right, so I just finished installing the top, put it all together, gonna let that glue up and dry overnight. Tomorrow, I'm gonna start working on the sign and putting all that together. But since we're editing, why don't I just snap my fingers and just go there right now? I'll do it real light. You don't have to get too dark. Hold on. And each. That looks pretty awesome if I have to say. All right, we're gonna start installing it and then we'll almost be done. Okay, so what I just did is I put some clamps on. That's to get the spacing correct. I wanna make sure nothing moves when I drill my pilot holes to attach the sign. Let's do that right now. So what I'm doing to add that, I have, these are my hex bolts. You can see, they're just gonna slide right on in. All right, we just finished putting the sign on. It's all finished now. It looks awesome. Now let's go make some lemonade. I'm really thirsty. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that build. It was one of my favorite ones that I've done yet. If you liked it, smash that thumbs up, pound it, do whatever you do. I'd appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, well, I'll see you on our next build. I'll see you later.